Hi guys, today's video is looking at spheres. So you just watched a little video that sort of gave you an idea of how to find the surface area of a sphere. I know that's not a very technical video, the orange is, but you could kind of see that the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times pi times the radius squared, or it's like 4 times the area of a circle with the same radius. Okay, now the volume of a sphere is a very similar formula, or similar looking. It's 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Okay, so the way you should be able to keep these straight is that squared denotes area, right? It's 2-dimensional, and then r cubed is 3-dimensional, so we're talking about volume here. I'm not going to go into how to find these formulas. You actually need to know much higher math, some calculus and things like that to understand them. We're just going to look at how we use the formula to solve problems. So I've got one example here, and it says, what is the volume of a sphere made from 100 centimeters square of material? So first of all, we're looking for the volume. So I'm going to start by writing down my volume formula. Okay, and for a volume, I need to know the radius, but I'm not given the radius in the question. What I'm given is this here, 800 centimeters squared. Now, the units there should give you kind of a clue that this is talking about the area or the surface area of the sphere, right? Like the amount of material that you would need to make a sphere is talking about surface area. So we can use that to find the radius. So if I just do some working out over here, I know that the surface area is 4 pi r squared. Now I'll put in what I know, which is the surface area, which is 800 is equal to 4 pi r squared. So to solve for r, I'm going to divide both sides by 4 pi. Okay, and that's going to cancel it out from that side. That's going to give me r squared. So to work out r, I would take out the square root of both sides. Okay, and when I put that into my calculator for the radius, I get 7.97, which rounds to 8 to 1 decimal place. Okay, so now I can plug that value for r into my volume formula. So I had volume is 4/3 times pi, now times that radius cubed, and we end up with 2,127.8, and because we're talking about volume, it's centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. You can go on to the independent practice now.